Hi everyone, it's Rakesh here on Tuesday the 3rd of March. We're looking at the mini DOW futures contracts today. Just started the 4th minute of trading and you can see that I got filled short on the 2nd minute of the day as it broke the low of the first bar. So I'm short the market at 68.24 with my stop one tick above the high of the first bar of the day at 68.36. So on this trade we're risking 12 ticks per contract, that's $60 per contract. Target is at 67.95, which is a potential reward of 29 ticks, making a reward to risk in this trade of around 2.5 to 1. And this might be a very short video because I'm only 3 ticks away from getting stopped out here. So the stop is at 36, we're trading 34, and let's see what happens here. So hopefully the market will give us a little bit of breathing space and retrace off those highs, and it seems to be doing that. Okay, so there's about 12-13 ticks between the market and the stop again, and now testing the low of the day. Okay, that's a nice bearish bar to finish on, and I will pause the video here and come back to you as we approach either the stop or the profit target. Okay, so you can see where I left you about 5 minutes ago. The market again is testing the highs of the day. It did come off to around the 810 level and didn't like it and has rallied back up, but essentially there's no kind of clear direction here at the moment, and does seem to have a slight upward bias. Nevertheless, we're in the trade, and at the open there was a 33 tick gap. So based on Nick's research on Tuesdays, regardless of the gap size, there is a 70% chance of a gap close. When you add in the size of the gap, today being 33 ticks, then that percentage goes down to about 60%. So we have a 60% chance of the gap closing today. So just watching this, and it just seems to be seesawing up and down. No clear direction at all. We did come close to getting stopped out the 4th minute of the day, and so we're about 50%, just under 50% of the gap close. So we'll watch this for a minute or so and see what happens from here. Okay, very strong bullish bar here, and again very close to the stop. The stop is at 36. 35. Okay, so it came within a tick. Again, it came within a tick, so we're very close to getting stopped out here. $34, 2 ticks away from getting stopped. So this level is proving to be very strong resistance. That's 3 or 4 attempts it's had to try and break that level, and it's come within a tick of our stop, and the market has rejected those levels. But these are quite wide range bars and not tradable, or not really advisable to trade them. That bullish bar there, that is about a 20-point range there. So it's having another go to test the highs. Again, very close to the stop, a point away, and again rejecting it. If the market was to come off now, this level is proving to be very strong resistance, and it wouldn't be inconceivable that this may be the high of the day, assuming that we now come off. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 attempts it's had to break that level unsuccessfully. And now coming off quite strongly. And let's see if we break the low of the day now. And it has. So no direction at all in the market right now. Swinging quite wildly in both directions. So I'm going to pause the video again. We've come back to about 50% at the gap close again. So I'll pause the video and come back as we approach one of our levels of interest, i.e. the stop and the profit target. Okay, so we're making lower lows and lower closes, and now a lot nearer the target than our stop. We came within a tick of our stop loss on about 4 or 5 occasions, and there is a cash session pivot at the 34 level, so that 34 level is proving to be very strong resistance, and it does have this 800 level to penetrate before reaching our target. So it's very possible that it might do a bit of work here before it breaks the level. Nevertheless, we're not far from our target, 5 points. And yep, just hesitation. And we're nearly there. And and there we go. Okay, so that's a turnaround. Very close to getting stopped out, but we have achieved the full gap target of 29 ticks, risking 1 to make 2.5.